First, ako first. Hindi yung nagko-comment sa baba, ako. Ako ang first. So wag na kayo mag-comment sa baba na first. Okay? In today's episode, ano ba yun? I always see people commenting down below first. As if like they're the very first person to comment. So, naunahan ko kayong lahat. Anyway, in today's episode, I am going to unbox and share with you a new gadget that I'm going to use to play Axie Infinity with. It's a gadget I'll also be using, of course, for productivity and creative reasons. Guys, sobrang panalo to. Keep on watching. Napakadami niyang freebie. Let's go! By the way, before we get started, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what you think of the device I'm about to show you. Malay nyo magpapag-giveaway tayo ng bago. And speaking of giveaways, we have 2 ongoing giveaways. The link to both of them can be found down below. Okay, ang gadget na gusto kong unbox at ipakita sa inyo is the brand new Huawei MatePad Pro 12.6. Yes, this is a friggin' amazing kick-ass tablet. Okay, tara, unbox natin siya guys. So as you can see, it says over here, Huawei MatePad Pro. Buksan na natin siya. Woohoo! You know, panalo. Ang ganda niya. Tingnan nyo naman, ang nipis-nipis. Very lightweight, but don't be deceived. This is a beast of a tablet. From the display to the internals to everything na pwede natin gawin. Sobrang panalo to. Linis, oh. Tignan nyo naman yan. Talagang panalo pang Axie Infinity. So what else is in the box? Of course, you have the charging cable, which is USB-C, and then you have the charging brick. Now, the good news is there are freebies that you can get with the purchase. The mechanics on how you guys can get the free stuff, I'll link down below. But I did get this free Huawei Smart Magnetic Keyboard, which is compatible with the tablet, and it also came with the new Huawei M-Pencil. So for creatives, productivity, kompleto ka na. May tablet ka na for gaming, may keyboard ka for typing, sending out emails, working in documents, and then of course you have the pencil for creative work. We already have the tablet set up over here. One of the biggest features of this is the 12.6-inch OLED full view display. This one is 16 by 10 ultra-wide OLED full view. And sobrang nipis ng bezel. So kung titignan nyo, sobrang nipis niya. That's just 5.6 millimeters. So talagang kitang-kita mo, focus ka sa kung ano ginagawa mo. Be it working, or let's say gusto mo manood ng mga videos, or kung gusto mo maglaro ng, tadan, Axie Infinity. O, di ba? By the way, the screen-to-body ratio is 90%. That is the highest screen-to-body ratio in the world for any tablet in the market today. Now, when it comes to applications, you can actually search here at the app gallery for all the applications that you would want, or you can also check out Petal Search and just type whatever app that you're looking for, and it should help you download that to your Huawei MatePad Pro. So for example, if we go over here, we have Facebook and several other key applications that we use on the daily. Now, when it comes to work mode, this is the usual setup that I have for the Huawei MatePad. So you have over here the pencil. You can use it to write down your notes very quickly. So just press over here to tap the icon, and then you can already start writing whatever it is that you want to write. Now, another fun feature is the multi-screen or multi-tab display. So all you have to do, for example, you're here on your browser on Chrome, and what you want to do is you want to check which one can be split screen or put into a smaller pop-up window. All you have to do is to tap the icon, because it actually identifies which are the apps that can be popped up, and there. So it appears over there. So if you press the minimize button, there's actually this really cool icon that appears here along the side. So if you just want it, pop it back up. Very easy to use. So what I usually do, let's just turn that off, put it there, and then you put it on the pop-up. Then if you need to write down something, you put there. But if you don't need anything, press minimize, and then again, it's very easy to call up should the need arise. And it's just there because of the massive display, it just works. Now, the reason why it can multitask, it can do a lot of heavy lifting, if you want to do video editing, photo editing, is because it is equipped with one of the most powerful processors from Huawei, which is the Kirin 9000E. Pretty much whatever you want to throw at this tablet, it can handle, primarily because the processor is top tier, one of the very best from Huawei. Now, if you are a PC user, you can tear down the walls between your devices, your Huawei tablet, as well as your PC by using Huawei Share. It basically turns your Huawei MatePad Pro into an extension of your PC, so you can use it to either mirror your content, to extend your content, or even use it as a collaborative tool. In short, if you are a hardcore PC user and you want an accompanying tablet for your day-to-day tasks, the Huawei MatePad Pro is one of your best bets to pick up and use. A few more things to take note. It is Wi-Fi 6 ready, so that is the latest technology when it comes to Wi-Fi speed. So it also has 40 watts supercharge, so if you need to charge it up very quickly, hindi ganun katagal antayin ninyo. It's also the first tablet to have a triple camera setup with a punch hole. And lastly, the sound on this bad boy is intense because it has 8 speakers built by Harman Kardon. So kung mahilig kayo manood ng movies, mahilig kayo mag-chill with your tablet, this is one of the best external speakers na built-in na. You don't have to connect it anymore that you can get in a tablet. Now, most of you are probably wondering how much is this MatePad Pro? Well, the SRP is 55,999. However, if you add 1 peso until July 18, you get premium freebies worth 19,925 pesos. The bundle includes the pencil, the smart keyboard, you even get like a wireless speaker as well as a Huawei band. So, napakadaming freebies. All you have to do is to add 1 peso if you buy before July 18. There is also another promo bundle running all the way until July 31, wherein if you add 1 peso, you get 13,998 pesos worth of freebies, which includes the M-Pencil 2nd generation as well as the smart keyboard. Ang galing lang talaga ng mga gadgets ngayon no? Parang dati ang mga tablet, talagang pang ano lang yan pang YouTube, tsaka pang alam mo yun, pang nood ng movies, but now they're literally productivity, creative beasts. As in talagang lahat ng usually, hindi naman lahat, pero karamihan ng kahit gusto mong gawin sa laptop, kaya mo na talaga gawin these days with tablets like this one. And the fact that you can seamlessly integrate it and work across multiple screens from your phone to your PC, mind-blowing. And of course, masaya siya pang Axie Infinity. O, di ba? Speaking of which, Axie Infinity, tinatanong ako ng mga tao, give an update. So I did a day 1 update yesterday, where I told you guys na medyo hirap ako mag-log in. It's been difficult to play. It's been kinda hard, and it's been kinda annoying. Now, on day 2 and day 3, which is today, the good news is nakakapasok na naman, nakakalaro na naman, nakakuha na ng konting SLP, but to be honest, it is still far from ideal. Mahirap pa rin makapasok. And yung initial selling proposition niya, na tipong maglaro ka lang ng konti, like tipong 1 to 2 hours every day, then you get like 100, 200 SLP, which you can convert to Ethereum into pesos. Medyo nawawala na kung ganito yung situation. But again, I am hopeful that maayos to. I heard that the team is working super hard, the Axie Infinity team super hard to be able to fix and stabilize the servers. So, antay lang, chill lang, di ba? And let's see, and hopefully they get to fix it soon. Kasi to be honest, medyo nakakaba nga naman, lalo na kung naglagay ka ng, I don't know, 70 to 100,000 pesos like me in buying your own Axies. Buti pa yung mga scholar dyan na wala masyadong kinagastos at yung nagpondo yung ano tawag doon, manager or yung whatever, yung tao bumili ng Axies. At least hindi kayo ganun ka-risk, no? Ako medyo, nakaba. Sana maayos soon para mabawi natin ang pinambili natin ng Axie. By the way, I have a question. I'm sure that Axie Infinity is not the only Ethereum NFT type of game, crypto game. Meron pa ba kayo ibang alam? Let me know in the comment section nang ma-research ko nga. Gusto ko talaga tingnan what are the other NFT games that you guys are familiar with apart from Axie Infinity. Comment down below. I'll take a look at it. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. The link to the Huawei MatePad Pro 12.6 can be found down below kung gusto niyo tingnan siya at to learn more about it. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.